This is the open Western Glacier for our hunter pack. Pedal. 15 inches are on the rail. When you reach the rail, we'll give you more instructions.
He looks like a hunter type. People fighting them while you're doing. There's Cindy. Cindy's in it too? No, she's
No, wow. Should video that.
Actually, that's a pretty gray.
It is pretty great. This seat is sinking down as I'm sitting longer on it. Too, because my hand's shaking.
Where is
To the right, Dad. Right there in the blue.
Shirt. Did he change his shirt?
Yeah.
Why did he do that?
Because I wanted him in blue and he remembered.
Oh.
We could have just changed ties. I didn't realize what he was wearing in the first class.
Well, that's right. He had black and white on.
Uh-huh.
Did they have to work him at all this morning?
Well, Cindy worked him a little bit.
He is.
And this ground is really hard on him.
Lengthen the stride of the wall.
Oh, he should be able to do that.
Is this only the first cut?
There's no cut.
No cut.
15 horses in the class.
That's when you have more than 20.
Okay.
Jonathan, your horse. Jonathan.
Looks like the best one on the wall there.
The one up in the front's pretty nice.
Yeah.
See him?
Yeah, but it's look at this. He has knee
Too
action.
overbent, though.
He has knee action compared to
Oh, yeah.
RJ.
Yeah.
Fred just took his number. The one here in the gray jacket.
It's covered up.
I know that guy was there to beige or
That gray's going good, Mrs. Wood.
Which gray? That gray right there?
yeah, that one. He's judge. This one he's judge of the white one. That
It
one.
moves its legs a
Don't
little
think
fast.
I don't know, it's not.
And that thing.
He's doing good, but he has his nose
So
out.
it's 3 guys in one club. Couple guys in. And then the one over there. Like, I don't know what cafe it is.
A moderate extension of his jaw, please.
There you go. Show your stuff.
Come on.
Moderate extension.
Is he going faster?
He can drive, faster than that, can he?
Well, because he didn't want the
Two.
wound up.
He comes back. I had to do those in my pattern. He comes back to you.
That looks good. One that
Yep.
What?
They're passing him though.
That's good.
Well, we're extending the jog, so.
It's only that one lady that's passing people. She's going too fast.
Jaw, please.
He looks lame. That gray horse looks lame.
He does.
Best job. Extended jobs.
Lower your horse. Both places.
He needs to drop his
Sure
hand.
could use some weight.
Actually, he doesn't need to clap his hand. He's very
So,
rides.
Call them and drop
It's just very rides. Go ahead. Go up. Wants to get his angle. It's going nice.
Everybody's all over.
what's the
Well, the one over there.
Tell them
Look at that one over there.
Yeah, but she's
Oh,
trying
there
to just grab it.
Anybody see it?
Who broke? Who broke?
That horse over there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You guys see it?
Not us. We didn't break.
Well, no, did the horse see you?
I don't know.
If you look at him,
Yeah.
you see him on the card, so tomorrow was important.
All the judges are all looking. Yeah, they look. Two of them already looked at me.
Well, I saw somebody, this guy here, took his number, put on his jacket.
Please.
Jacket, yeah.
Okay. He wrote his number. Somebody wrote his number. Come on. Yep. I got
Well, hopefully we got his number already.
Oops, I missed the screen. I'm watching him.
Nobody put you
Come
on
on,
the screen here,
come on.
what? He's coming up on the screen.
It's coming up. It's spinning up a little bit.
I think he's trying to make him use himself.
There he is. Look how nice he looks on the screen.
Walk your horse, please. Walk.
How come this guy's a Western saddle on?
Bill, this is a Western, you know, a Western
I
saddle.
thought it was a honor saddle.
The horse behind him, the horse in front of him,
Hunter type on a Western, huh?
the horse in front of him's a stud and was acting up out there.
What did he was acting up?
The horse in front of him, the buckskin,
Reverse.
is a
What did
stud.
Continue on.
Oh, he's a that stallion.
No, it's not the same one. It's a different one.
That's a young horse. He's in a foal.
Yeah, and he was out there. He was like acting like he wanted to mount a mare out there.
Oh, he's a stallion also.
This one, yeah.
Is he really?
What are you laughing at?
I'm noticing how they're strategizing their returns now.
Uh huh.
Well,
Yep.
so
So you
One
do.
turn into the other one
Right.
face to face.
Yeah,
And
you-
then they turn around. You know.
Because you just want to, make
the-
room for yourself. Mike's got plenty of room now. Till this horse comes up on
They
him.
have their horses right now.
Lower your horse, please. Lower.
But why do you always wait so long, too?
Because I wait for the horse in front of me. I don't want to ride up on that horse too fast.
You know, he almost looks like he's working in here.
Right?
Yeah, look, they said, is that?
No, he's moving. Sloping. It's just hard ground for him.
Just looking at right now.
Well, it looks more like Hunter than any of them out there.
Sure does.
See, it's like that big little trees over there, the big horses, but they're still strong.
Did you nearly said?
No.
You see, he had some much either. did he?
No.
He seems to have younger horses, Pacho. It seems to me he has more younger horses, 2 and 3 year olds.
Well, really? You bother looking at it now?
I'm looking at the judges.
What's her name?
she placed him yesterday, last night.
Is this the same
at my
woman?
high. Yeah.
Yeah, but I got the lowest grade. If that's the same woman, I got the lowest score with her.
Oh.
But I don't know if it's the same person. I don't think it's the same person, Mom.
Oh.
It's not the same woman.
I should look into it.
Well, she hopefully
Well,
took
they're
his number
picking
already.
ones Not, now
These
they're
are the
picking-
later places.
picking the 10th place horses.
He carries his head nice, Dad. You can't complain about him
Oh,
moving his head.
no, that's right. He's like perfect.
He holds it so pretty.
And his head is straight. Some of these horses go with their noses out. And that goes over there. That one over there.
John, your horse, please. John.
Yep. Which one of that horse is he on? Alan Schmidt's horse? Sorry, Lexi.
What?
Am I in your face? With the
No.
video camera?
That one over there's going a little too fast, isn't it? With its head down. Mike looks good on a horse, doesn't he?
Always, yeah. Always looks good on a horse. English too.
Well, that was his forte originally, wasn't it?
No, I started in Western Pleasure.
Oh, he
Futurity,
did. I
yeah,
thought
Futurity
he-
horses.
Oh.
Yeah.
See that dapple horse? I love that dapple. Look on the face. That's a young
Mike definitely
horse.
has,
He's about
you know,
5 years old.
Walk your right, please. Walk.
That was nice. A very nice go.
That Palomino, that's a joke. Being in this class.
Palomino.
That is your rail work, and your underpass pedal, also places open. Congratulations on your work on the rail. If you go to the center of the rail, please, and one out.
I didn't take any pictures.
He did it.
He's making him wait, see?
Yep. Look at him.
Mm-hmm. He doesn't get to show him very much, so yeah, it's really good to get him in here.
Yeah,
This is a big gray here. What is it?
yeah, Mike.
Here,
it's his
quick,
face.
quick,
It's
quick,
your
quick.
face,
Mike.
Mike.
Mike. Oh, okay. I thought they were back in the horse in front of him. You guys ready to woo?
Yeah.
What do you look fit?
I mean, honestly, he should be first or second, but I don't.
And you know that Palomino out there should be in the other class.
Yeah, the
not in
stock
this one.
class.
I'm curious to see how
Or my goodness, we
I know.
go through each car, we move to the number called. A horse line out, 8 feet out, please. We'll start with our tied record judge in this spot, Michael O'Connell, who marked first place, 1729. Second place, 1743. Third place, 1531. Fourth place, 1789. Fifth place, 1788. Sixth place, 1726. Seventh place, 5014. Eighth place, 2003. Ninth place, 1961. 10th place, 1902. Another line out plays now for our Chris Arnold's car. He also started with 1729. 1743 in second. Is third place, 1531. Fourth place, 1726. Fifth place, 1561. Sixth place, 1088. Seventh place, 1719. Eighth place, 1308. Ninth place, 1902. And 10th place, 5014. Judge Jim Coons, on the line out, please. Judge Coons started with 1531 in first, 2003 in second, 1729 in third, 1726 in fourth, fifth place, 1789, sixth place, 1961, seventh place, 1743, eighth place, 1088, ninth place, 1308, 10th place, 1902. Judge Rory Gordon's card. Final line out, please, for Judge Gordon. Starting with 1531. Second, 2003. Third, 1743. Fourth, 1726. Fifth, 1761.
Am I around to be a fifth?
Sixth, 1719. Seventh, 13. Sixth in the world, originally 1961, son of a bitch.
Son of a bitch.
Yeah, so we're at least six.
Top,
Or at least fifth.
top five.
Originally 2003, cool local Zippo, so by Janelle Whitestone from Hillsborough, Oregon, Desiree Holt.
We're probably fourth.
Yeah.
Right.
Fourth in the world, originally 1726, Zippo.
Said your name.
Alrighty.
Now, third place will also give you that exclusive purple disc. And you'll go home $100 richer today. Congratulations, 1743. Third, Miss Hardy, owned by Madison Michael Levin,
That's the one I was
Michigan, by Alan Smith Jr.
This horse beat him. I can't even
The
bring him
reserve
up.
world champion of this class, congratulations, 1531. Spot on the box, by Randy Rogers, by Virginia, Texas, by Dayton Wells. The world champion over the most pleasure other class medal. Congratulations, 1729. Second in the house for the season after Arizona, won by Brittany Russell.
This one in black.
It's not even pretty. It's not even nice to hold on.
The first one in third is Holly, Alan Smith Jr. The fourth, Zippo and me, Michael Mergaert. In fifth, cool local legal shot, still on. Ninth,
You can register just about anything, Pinto.
10th, from Cover Hot Rod, Allison Motorboat, and the